Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to apologize about my voice because if you've seen any of my last video or two, I have been sick. That is why it has taken me so long to even try and attempt to film this Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing for you, because today is like the first day that I've really had a voice that could even be heard. The past few days I have literally been like squeaking and whispering, and it has just been a really fun-filled 2 weeks of being sick while being pregnant. So yeah, so I'm sorry my voice sounds terrible. I'm going to try my hardest not to cough too much or clear my throat too much. But yeah, long-awaited Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unbagging, so let's just get into it. Comes in the nice hot pink box like always. When we open it up, it does have yellow styrofoam this month. And when we lift that up, paper fell out. You can kind of see a little bit of what is inside. So the paper just says July 2019 dive in, hashtag Ipsy dive in, and then it just sort of talks about their theme. And then inside here, it just talks about the prices and everything that you got in the box. Now, I did mention in my last video for the unbagging, so the Ipsy Glam Bag, the regular one, that I had used points to redeem for a product and it wasn't in that bag. So we're going to see if it's in this bag, or this box, you know. If it is not, that will be the second time that I have redeemed my points for a product and have not gotten it from Ipsy. So I will be emailing them, and then in my next video, I will update you guys as to whether I've heard from them or, you know, whatever, because like I said, that if it's not in this box, it will be the second time that I have redeemed my points and never gotten the product. So, without further ado, first thing I am pulling out in the box is this purpley, pretty little holographic-y box. It is by Touch in Soul, which I think is kind of common to get in subscription boxes. I have never gotten a product from them. This is the Waterful Glow Cream Pretty Filter. So I'm gonna assume it's like a moisturizer, you know, type of thing. Ooh, the container is pretty. It's like this little plasticky container with a nice lid. And it just says Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream. So it doesn't have a very strong smell. It does have that little like pop top kind of lid on there. I'm actually not going to open it because I have a moisturizer already open that I'm trying to work through, the Sunday Riley one I got in the last box. So I'm not going to open this yet. But yeah, so that is the first product. Next thing I'm pulling out is this Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions eyeshadow palette. And it's like a little mini palette. And it has like a little plastic thing on it. And then these are the actual shades inside. Very pretty, very like fall-y mauve kind of colors. Okay, next I am pulling out the Pixie Skin Treats Glow Mist from Pixie by Petra. It is with propolis and argan oil. It looks like kind of a separated, so I'm sure you'd have to like shake it up and then spray it. Yeah, that looks better. I'm not super big on like oily mists because I kind of have oily skin right now while I'm pregnant. But if I don't open it when I'm not pregnant anymore, I probably can use it and it will be fine because I'll probably go back to having my normal to dry skin. So, next I'm gonna pull out the little bubble wrap package and let's see what's in there. something by Ofra, or Afra, I think it's Ofra. It is the highlighter in Rodeo Drive, it says on the back. So we'll open that, and that is a lot of highlighter. It looks very, very pretty, and I have heard a lot of people who do subscription boxes and makeup talk about this being a great highlighter, so I will definitely enjoy testing that out. I have been hoping to get that highlighter. Next thing I'm pulling out is the It Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. This is the packaging by It Cosmetics, which is actually kind of exciting. My sister, I think, uses this mascara and really likes it. I have never tried it, but I am excited to try it. When you open the little lid, it says, "You are beautiful, you are it." I don't know if you guys can read that, but that's what it says. So the actual little package is kind of like this, kind of like an hourglass shape, and it says Superhero It. I'm not going to open the brush because I don't want to. I want to save it because I have a ton of mascaras. But there are tons of other videos, I'm sure, that people have opened. So you can see, I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but there's a little picture of the brush there. It kind of looks like short, stubby little bristles. So that's, God, how many things did I get in this box? So the last thing I'm pulling out is the Smashbox Step by Step Contour Palette. It kind of looks like that, and I feel like I see this at Sephora in the like little grab section at the front all the time. But that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 things. So usually you only get 5. Let's look at the packet, or the paper. Because I did not get the thing that I asked for. That was everything in the box. So none of my points that were redeemed, I didn't get that package. So let's see. The Pixie by Petra Glow Mist, it says the value is $15 on this. That's believable. That sounds like a normal price. The It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Mascara is $24. So those two things right there are already more than the price of the box. The Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is like $25 plus tax a month. The Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream says it is a $38 value. That is a lot for moisturizer, but not the highest I've seen. The Huda Beauty Obsessions palette in Mauve is $27. This is a really small palette to be $27, but name brands are expensive, so. And then the Rodeo Drive highlighter says it is $35. It's a lot of highlighter, but $35 is a lot. That is all that it says is supposed to be in here. So I don't know where this came from. This is not what I redeemed my points for. So I'm very confused as to why I got this. I don't know if this is like supposed to be a replacement. I will have to look through my emails and see if this was like their replacement for what I tried to redeem my points for. Yeah, but that is the box for this month, I guess. I am excited about this, and I'm excited about the Rodeo Drive highlighter. Other than that, honestly, not super crazy excited about anything. Like, everything else is like kind of nice, but stuff that I honestly don't think I'll use that much. Like, I don't contour at all. I put some bronzer on my face and call it a day, if I even do makeup, since you guys see that I'm usually pretty barefaced. But yeah, that is everything. So in my next video, I will definitely let you guys know what is going on with the points that I have redeemed, where my products are, because there's 2 of them. If you guys have had a problem with redeeming products and getting them, let me know in the comments below. And what happened? Did it get resolved? Did you ever get them? Do they often trade out products without telling you? Yeah, if you guys got similar stuff in your box, if you got different stuff, let me know down in the comments below. And otherwise, I think that is everything for today. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.